Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a simple web template so you can use it throughout your site without having to copy and paste your design to every single web page. So I have my site test over here that we defined in another video, and if you haven't watched that you should probably go over there and watch that first. But if you already know how to define a site, we're going to show you how to create a template here. So I have a web page here that I'm going to go ahead and double click on that I have that I want to set up a template with. Now these are already sliced up that we did in Photoshop, which is another tutorial that you can look for. I'm going to select this and go ahead and go to Align Center, and that's going to put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to go up here to Modify Page Properties, and I'm going to go to background color, change it to black, and I'm going to go to text color and change it to white, and we're going to go ahead and apply that and OK, and you can see it changed our background color so it matches the rest of our template fairly well. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click in our center slice here that we don't want and go ahead and just hit the delete key, and that's going to allow us to actually type in this little area here. But this is going to be defined as a template, not as a actual site page. So what I'm going to do here is create a editable region. So I'm going to go down here and set my vertical alignment to top. And now what I'm going to do is go up here to Insert, come down here to Template Objects, and go to Editable Region. Dreamweaver will automatically convert this document to a template. OK. And we'll name it Edit Region 1, that's fine. And here it drops an editable region right here in our document. Now, I'm just going to show you how to simply set up a template here, so we'll just use one editable region. Now, I'm going to go up here to File, Save, and save this as Design Template, and go ahead and click Save. Update links, yes. Even though we don't really have any links, it's always going to ask you that. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. So now what I'm going to do is come over here to our index, which is going to be our home page, and I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And now we have an empty web document here. So since we saved our template inside of our test site, it's going to be in our Assets panel over here. So we can come over here and click on Assets, and we're going to go down here and click on the Templates button. And here you can see our design template that we defined is sitting right here under this little name option here. So all you're going to have to do is click and drag over into your web page and drop, and there is your template. And that's how you're going to create all your sites from now on. Now, as you can see, anywhere except inside the editable region, you can't click anywhere. But now that we have this editable region set up, I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and I'm going to go up here to a table, and I'm going to insert a table, and we'll make it let's see here, we'll just make it 2 columns, and we'll just make it 1 row, and we'll go ahead and click OK. Now we have a table here that we can drag out. Go ahead and drag this all the way out to the edge here. We'll come down with it, and we'll click here and we'll move this over. Now we have a table set up here to where we have a sidebar over here that we can type in, and then we have a content area. Now this is giving me borders and things that I don't want, so I'm going to come down here to Cell Pad 0, Cell Space 0, Border 0. And that's going to get rid of everything. Now you're actually, when you actually view this site, you're not going to see the actual table. These are just little placeholder lines to tell you where the table edges are. But now we have several different places that we can type into. So that's how the basics of setting up a template, using editable regions to create your template. And for every single web page that you create, you can do it the same way. And every single link up here that you will link to different web pages will be the same on your template. And I'll show you how to create links and link to different web pages inside your template in another video. But this is the basics of setting up a basic template here inside Dreamweaver. So thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check back soon for some more updates, and we'll begin to delve even deeper into the world of web design. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.